There was a nice sell here. You can see the structure. Support structure. Support structure. Break of a support structure. Retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, retest 4. And price has left. And I like this structure. And let's see if we can clone it. See if we have a drop on that level where it's going to come to. It's looking nice. So let's see, since price have made that move, let's take this out. And don't expect price to return in that way again. So if we get it something like this, but I think on technical, I want price to go like this. Let her come back and maintain the status. So if price returns this way, that would be nice. I want to see price return in this way. Let it return in this way. So if it returns in this way, this will be a resistance structure, break of a resistance structure, retest 1, retest 2, come down, retest 3. So taking this out. So I think the impulse leg at this move might be doing the sell job to bring Euro AUD to another demand floor. So based on structure, it looks like it's it looks promising. Based on structure, it looks promising. It looks promising that the impulse leg, as a result of the breakout, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, retest 4, retest 5, retest 6, to push price and come to this level and break the open of the market. And I think this looks nice. You see it return in this form as a correction. Therefore, then you resume buying again. This is what we see based on the structure. Then the confirmation will be a breakout from this structure. If it breaks out from this structure, which is an ascending trend line, and also a demand floor. So for now, it will be too hasty to make a sell propaganda. So it will be best to allow it. But if you can't, do what you want. And from the way it looks after tapping into this play, look, the last time we tap here, we dropped, we tap here, we dropped, we tap here, and price came in, dropped. So this might do the same. So it's all about structure. It's all about the structure of the market. It's all about the structure of the market. I think might do that, might do that, just do that, and to be on record, as structure was respected. That was a nice spot on idea on sell. So I think price might pull up in that impulse leg. Yes, here have a very strong character. Multiple times, price demonstrate a sell idea based on strategy. It's based on strategy. So what we want to see here right now is that euro exchange rate should have some drop based on demand and supply. This is real. Oh. This thing is real. This is 100% legit. Euro AUD exchange rate. This is what it is at the moment. This is the exchange rate, Euro AUD. So I used to think it was play. When I now realized it was not, I took it serious. It's real. It's not a propaganda. This is Euro exchange rate, Euro AUD exchange rate. Is what you have here at the Vatican. This is the timing. This is the time of exchange, and this is the real exchange rate. Real exchange rate of Euro AUD is here. So if you think it's a play, it's up to you. So this is what we have in 30 minutes. 30-minute structure. Very nice floor. Demand floor. Demand floor. Break of a demand floor. Price returns what? On supply roof. It's on supply roof. These are all supply roofs. And our litmus test for sell will have to be on break of this support structure. You can see price is rejecting it. So if she can break this structure, then we are sure that the ascending trend line wouldn't mean. Look at the structure, resistance structure, resistance structure, resistance structure, resistance structure. Break of a resistance structure becomes support structure, but we have an impulse leg from a supply roof. Can sell pressure break the support structure? If it can, then we will return to this place for the next buy. If it can, if it can, that would be nice. If it can. And let's adjust this very well so that we don't fall into a critical situation. It's and it might extend in this manner. This is a floor. This is a new demand floor where price will seek buy reinforcement. We have a buy reinforcement floor, buy reinforcement floor, buy reinforcement floor, reinforcement. So buy reinforcement floor. So we have this as a new buy reinforcement floor. And I can also call it a demand floor on 30 minutes. 30 minutes have a way of breaking down price in a way that you don't need any indicator to trade the financial market. Don't need any indicator to trade the financial market. You don't need it. If you are still trading indicator, that's fine. It's up to you. It's up to you. It's fine. It's choice. Shabby FS Hub, we don't trade indicator here. We rely on the market structure, break of structure, demand and supply. So this is all we look at for now. And let's see, after they tap into the supply roof, price face immediate support structure. A break of this support structure will push price into this level where we have a supply roof, break of a supply roof, price returns on demand. So on demand, we want to see the demand structure do its thing. So if price comes here on demand, that would be nice. That would be nice and welcome. To see price return here on demand. As price is building a demand structure, so is building a supply structure. So pay attention to the structure. And here we have a top layer supply roof. The top layer supply roof maintains sell characteristics for every time price comes here into this ascending trend line, trading below the line, it's on supply. So until we see change in bias, that is a switch, a break of a supply roof will become a demand floor based on strategy. So we want to see that happen, and if that happens, that will be fine. That will be fine. So this is a new roof. This is a new roof. It's a new roof. That sell target loss was spot on. Euro AUD sell was spot on. You can see that structure, support structure, break of support structure, retest one, retest two, retest three, retest four, retest five, retest six, and the price is making its way down. And when we look at what price has done, every time it taps into the supply roof, it ends with a significant sell. It came in here, dropped significantly. So let's look at it by structure. Look at it. Let's say we pull out from here. Okay, this is the retest. Price came here, impulse, correction into the zone, tap into the supply zone, return to the supply zone, and tap into the zone again, sell off, tap into the zone again, sell off. Now we are into the zone. There is a probability that we will come down here, and there is a broader probability that we might come here. Yes, that is what the structure is saying. But however, if price manage to hold at this level, and if they respect this structure and obtain one small again, then we break this structure, then we look at here as a potential sell opportunity. So it's always two things. One is going to happen. But based on the structure, we are tapping into a supply roof. Since October 22, price have been tapping into a supply roof. That could be a setup. That could be a setup. That could be a setup. So let's watch it. But I'm very honest, that could be a setup. So it might come down to the demand floor. If it comes down to the demand floor, that would be nice.